In this lesson, I will discuss about command manager, which is this area. Inside this command manager, you will find all necessary tools to create your part or assembly or drawing. In this command manager, there are few different tabs you will find. Each tab carry few sets of tools. Based on that tool, you have to switch from one tab to another tab. Let's say you want to create some sketch, so you have to work inside this sketch. Let's say you want to create some 3D part, you have to go to features. And this tab will be different based on your part file, assembly file or drawing file. Let's say if I create a new drawing file, this time all tab is different. This is different because let's say you want to create the actual 2D drawing file. In that case, the tool you need, that tool you do not need inside this part environment. Inside the part environment, you want to create a 3D part. You do not need to create any 2D thing. That's why this tab is different. Let's say you have to create some organic shape. In that case, you have to work with surface tools. So if I right click on this tab, from here you will see few options are selected, few are not. Which is selected, you will find that tab here. Let's say this features and sketch is selected. That's why you are seeing this feature and sketch. Let's say you want to work with surface. So if I check this, I will get all surface tools inside this tab. Then inside each tab, you will find 3, 4, 5 different groups. You can see there is a small border line here. That means inside these two border, all of these tools you are seeing, this is a group. This is a group. So there are total 4 groups we are seeing here. If I go to this sketch, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. They made this group very intelligently. Let's say you want to create a sketch. For this sketch, from here by using this tool, you have to create actual sketch. Then inside this group, you can create any new sketch entity. Let's say line, circle, rectangle or any different type of shape you can create by using this. Then if you want to modify your sketch, you have to use this group. That's why this is how they group it. It's not like they group it some randomly. They group it really very intelligently, so that when user will work, this will be very easier for them to find proper tool very easily. If I right click anywhere inside this command manager, I will see there is one option, use large button with text. If I unselect this, all text are gone. You cannot see any text, only you can see tool icons. This is good because you can maximize your graphic window. Sometimes it is helpful, but if you are completely new to the SolidWorks, I will recommend you to check this box so that when you will work with any tool, at least you will know this is the name of that tool. Then after 1 year or 2 years, when you are really very frequent in SolidWorks, very confident to work in SolidWorks, that time you can uncheck this. But at the starting point, I will say check this. If you don't find any tool inside this command manager, go to this drop down menu, select commands. From here, let's say if I write convert entities, this is the tool I can see here, but this is gray now, I cannot work with it. If I go to this sketch, I will see this is that convert entities is showing. I cannot work with this because if you want to apply this convert entities, you need at least some sketch or body. So this is how you can search for your necessary tool. Let's say I am searching for line. So if I write line here, this is my line. If I press here, this glass icon, it will show me where is that line tool. It will go to inside this sketch tab. Then from here it will show me this is that line tool is showing. So this is how you can find your necessary tool from here.